Holy smokes, this car is super duper cool. Let me message the guy. Is this badass car still available? Address, your mom's house. Hey, I know where that's at. Yikes. Babe, I'll be right back.
Much later.
Dang, this car ain't that bad. I'll take it. Babe, so what do you think about the new car?
Shoo, it's a badass car. What is it?
Babe, this is a 1979 Chevy Camaro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to myself, Tuned Engines, and this is our brand new 1979 Chevy Camaro. Ooh, looks super cool, right? Let me go ahead and explain to y'all why I went ahead and bought this car, and also some of the cool details it has, and some of the not so cool details. So let's get into the video. Let's go ahead and dive into the paint job first, guys. If you go ahead and get closer, you're gonna go ahead and see that we have a super duper cool blue color with some glitter in the paint as well. That's the first thing I saw when I pulled up and I saw this car, was all the glitter it had in the paint. And it actually caught my attention, and in my opinion, it looks super duper sick. So that's a big win, and the whole car is like that, which is super duper cool. Alright guys, now that y'all seen the outside of the car and the cool paint job, let's go ahead and hop into the inside of the car, into the heart. Let's go ahead and look at the engine bay so y'all can see why I went ahead and purchased this vehicle. Alright guys, let's go ahead and pop up the hood. Oof though, holy smokes. Come on guys, get in here. Let me go ahead and explain this engine to you. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a small block Chevy 350, and I was able to verify that by checking, the numbers over here in the back. So when I went ahead and checked the numbers, the number was actually 3970010. And basically guys, what the number tells me is that this is gonna be a 69 to a 79 generation small block Chevy, which is actually perfect because that's the same era as this car. This car is a 1979 Chevy Camaro, so it's cool that we have a same era engine with the same era of a car. Alright guys, and something I've noticed right off the bat when I popped open the hood was the Mickey Thompson valve covers right here. That's something I really was fascinated about, and I thought was super cool, and I think it was a super duper tasteful upgrade. Another thing I went ahead and saw was that we have an Acel HEI super coil distributor with its matching 8.8 millimeter silicone spark plug wires. We have an upgraded HEI distributor so we can get all the spark plugs, the power that they need. Something I noticed right off the bat was whenever I popped open the hood is that we have aftermarket exhaust headers, guys. We have long tube headers. This explains why this car sounds phenomenal. So something I wasn't able to check when I was looking over the car was actually the carburetor. All I know was that whenever the guy turned on the car sounded phenomenal. So let's go ahead and find out what type of carburetor this car is running. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the air filter, and I'm like, holy smokes guys. So we actually have a 7235 Holley carburetor. Super duper cool. I believe this is gonna be the 650 CFM, which is actually paired perfectly with this 350 stock small block Chevy. We might have to do a little bit of adjustments just so we can get it running better. I'm gonna take a peek inside the car. Wait guys, I almost forgot. We have remote key fob. So take a gander in there, guys. So as you can see, we have a pretty nice interior here in this car. It looks like everything is complete. The only thing that we're actually missing is going to be the shift over there, the cover for the shifter, and also the center console cover. But besides that, everything is pretty much done. Alright guys, I know what y'all might be thinking. Hey, why is this whole thing missing? The reason why this is missing is because the previous owner went ahead and put a 700R4. This car came with a TH350. And I know why he did that. He did that because he wanted overdrive, which I don't blame him. Better gas mileage and more top speed. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and have to get the cover. So make this all pretty and the cover for here. Another thing you're gonna notice right off the bat is that we have a giant iPad here. And yes guys, everything works. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the iPad, but it's here guys. So if you ever wanna be watching YouTube, you know, if I wanna be watching YouTube videos here, I'm allowed to in the car. But we'll see if we keep it or not. And before I forget guys, yes, this car is gonna be an automatic. So now we can go ahead and take a gander up here like in the trunk. So in case you didn't know guys, these Camaros, you actually go ahead and put gas right here. So this is where the gas cap is at, and you know, that gives you so much aura because no one else has the gas cap in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up like so. And I know it's a little bit dark in here guys, but this is completely here. Like there's nothing missing. The only thing that's here is an ugly subwoofer, which we're gonna take out and make our own custom boxes. So I'm not too worried about that. Well, there you go guys. This is the tour of the new 1979 Chevy Camaro. So y'all are gonna be seeing this car in the future where we're making upgrades and making it cooler and cooler each video. Let me know what y'all think guys. Should we keep it as a cruiser or as a race car? Because there's a lot of potential in this car and this platform. Hopefully y'all like it and let me know what we should name it, because I'm thinking about some cool names for the car. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so we can keep on putting out super duper cool content. But guys, make sure to comment down below what name suggestions for this car. I'm thinking something like Blue Steel. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. See ya.